but I think later on tomorrow it could turn quite nasty across southwest England and Wales, particularly with those severe gales pushing in, certainly damaging winds a possibility, bringing down the odd tree, that sort of thing, and combining with some of the highest tides of the year. So there is a risk of flooding, not just inland, but along the coast as well. We'll keep you posted on that during tonight and tomorrow. But actually today it's fairly quiet, the weather in most places. OK, there are one or two showers around, more particularly across England and Wales. The odd sharp shower through this afternoon. The northern half of Scotland as well, one or two showery bits and pieces around. They should tend to move away northwards, and for many of us it will stay dry with some reasonable sunny spells coming through. Across Northern Ireland, though, the cloud will tend to thicken up through this afternoon, bringing some outbreaks of rain into western areas particularly, but Belfast probably managing to stay dry and fairly bright. Temperatures about the same as yesterday, so typically 11 to 13 degrees. Not too bad in the sunshine, feeling a little on the cool side, though, where that breeze is picking up. And quite chilly tonight across Scotland for a time, and the northeast of England, where we could well see some fog developing. I think at the Vale of York, one spot, we could see some patchy fog for a time overnight. That'll be slow to lift during tomorrow morning. But as we pull away from the UK, this is what we're concerned about. Big massive cloud down to the southwest. It's a developing area of low pressure. It's going to start moving in quite quickly towards us. So a big dartboard low on the charts by the time we get into tomorrow. Lots of lines on the chart as well. And that obviously means it is going to be pretty windy. In fact, a very unpleasant day across the southwest of England, Devon and Cornwall especially. Widespread gales picking up as the day goes on. Some heavy rain to go with it, hopefully a little bit brighter from the southwest through the afternoon, but little comfort there. And that wet and windy weather gradually spreading up across Wales as the day goes on as well. I think more through the afternoon and evening before the winds really set in here, but that rain will work its way northwards with time. But actually for many of us tomorrow, it's not a bad day. There'll be some rain for northern Scotland to get rid of. That shouldn't last too long. Dry and bright through much of Scotland, down through the north of England, Lincolnshire and East Anglia staying dry right the way through the day. Eventually the rain into Northern Ireland, perhaps the Midlands and the London area towards the end of the day. Temperature is about the same as today, but feeling quite chilly where those winds pick up. Showery again on Thursday and on Friday.